Meaning of hush puppy.
Hush puppy.
Hush puppy.
Hush puppy.
Hush puppy. The term hush puppy refers to a small, deep-fried ball of cornmeal dough, often served as a side dish in Southern cuisine. It is believed that the name comes from the practice of feeding leftover scraps of the fried dough to barking dogs, in order to hush them. The exact origin of hush puppies is unclear, but regional variations can be found throughout the southern United States. Today, they are a popular and beloved dish, often served with seafood or barbecue, and enjoyed for their crispy exterior and soft, savory interior.